Hi, in this video, really quickly, I want to talk about the first person plural in terms of personal pronouns. And we have we, us, ure, us. And remember here, these vowels with the macron on them pronounced twice as long as these ones without. So this one right here. And the translations we'll have for this are we, us, our, and us. So notice again here in both English and modern English, this is always going to be the case, but we have the accusative being the same as the dative for this personal pronoun. If you watch the video on the first person singular pronouns, I'll have an explanation on how you can tell different sort of English translations between these two in terms of how you should translate from Old English, or and also the semantic difference between them. However, you will see the same form, us and us, in both. And also note here, ure does kind of sound like our, so we've got this sort of a U sound and an R. So that might hopefully make it a little bit easier to remember, and we is obviously very similar to we.